Welcome to my Unity tutorial. My name is Ayush and today I'll be talking about importing audio clips in Unity. And this is for my Fundamentals of Game Design course, CSC 4821/6821. In order to import sound clips in Unity, first thing is that you should have sound clips. So either you could download it, like I did, from free download sites like this one, mediacollege.com, or you could create your own sound effects if you're good at it. Um, since I'm not too good at it creating sound effects, and I don't have the required software as well, so I'll better download it for this tutorial. So here's a bomb to which I downloaded from this site, mediacollege.com. So I right click here and click on Save Link Content As. Since I'm using Opera, it's Save Link Content As. Now, if you're using Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox, um, there must be something like Save Link or such menu options. Well, anyway, I've downloaded this bomb to right here. This is where I've downloaded the bomb to. And now I'm going to use this in my Unity scene. This is my basic setup that I created, which goes like this. When I play this, this is my target object, and and uh, I need to enter a velocity for the object that I want to throw, and then the object gets launched from this point, and if I enter the correct velocity, it hits the target. And my aim is to put the sound effect on this target so that it plays the sound effect when the stone or this object collides with this one. So how do I do that? First thing is that I import the sound effect in Unity by importing a new asset by right-clicking on any of the folder or straight in the project window. That's okay too. So I click on import new asset and then I click on bomb2 because that's what I want to import. Okay, so once it's imported, you can see the graph like this. This is the basic wave structure of your sound clip. You can even play it like this to test it. Okay, and Unity only lets you import a couple of file formats which are listed here. These are the only file formats that are supported by Unity. Now, if your file format is different than this, then you may want to convert it into one of these before importing. Now, the one we just imported was WAV file, so it got imported without any hassles. Okay, so now that we have bomb2, we rename it to bomb drop so that it's easier for me to remember. Okay, and this is my wolfhead script. It's really simple script, nothing. When there's a collision, I destroy the game object. Now, before we do this, this is my wolf prefab. I drag the sound clip onto my prefab and release. Next, I have a prefab. I have audio source added onto the prefab. So here's the audio source added. Now there are a couple of things here. Mute is a mute. Play and awake is if this scene is awake, then it's gonna play. Okay. Besides this, there's Pan 2D, which I want to discuss. Pan 2D is, suppose you slide the slider to a positive value, means the output from your right speaker is going to be higher than the output from your left speaker for that sound. If you put it to negative value, it's the reverse. The output from your left speaker is going to be louder than the output from your right speaker. Okay, so for now, I'm going to put it at 0 so that it becomes balanced. Next, like I said, I'm going to edit my Wolfit script a little. First thing is that I create a variable called explosion, which is an audio clip. Next, I use this audio clip, play one shot, right? Shot explosion. Now there's this play one shot and play. Difference is play one shot is for playing it one shot and then you're done. You're done with that clip. There other variations too, like playing loops or other things that you could play around with. So for this tutorial, I'll be only doing this play one shot thing. So after this, I close this, and after that, I should probably get right here. There's this explosion variable popping up. I click here and select bomb drop. Okay, and I close this. I save the scene. I play it. Next, I click on 45 throw. Now, as you may hear, or I don't know, the sounds really faint. So even I have trouble hearing this. So the problem with this is that right here, the roll-off mode is logarithmic, which means that the sound is decaying really fast. So if you want a larger sound, what you could do is you could either put this in linear roll-off, in this I put this in linear roll-off, and then run it again. There you go. You get a big sound, boom, kind of sound. 45 throw. Okay. Like this. And if you want variations in your sound, like if this sound is too big for you, there's another setting called custom roll-off which you could use to change the sound settings. Like you could decay it like this, or yeah. There are a lot of things you could do to change the nature of the sound. Well, so this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video, and please check my feed again. So I'll be posting more of the tutorials. Thank you.